Hey guys, so today I'm just gonna share a brief video with you about something that I've been playing around with. It's super fun, it's super interesting. It's about MagSafe, this thing here, and it's about Lego. Yeah, Lego. Hey guys, and welcome. So, today I want to talk a little bit about MagSafe. MagSafe is, Apple's sort of, it's right here, right? It's Apple's idea of the future in terms of charging, especially. It's wireless charging. It's sort of a key standard, Qi standard thing, but it's not, because it's not Qi. Apple has their own proprietary charging technology. It works quite well. Works for It's working for these, right? The AirPods. So basically what you can do is you set it there and it will charge. It's got the MagSafe magnet somewhere inside it. In this case it's not that strong. This one doesn't support MagSafe, this case, unfortunately, but it's super nice anyway. So that's what it also does, but it also does sort of MagSafe, where you click it onto your phone and it charges. It's the magnets are sitting inside of the phone. It's basically an array that looks like this. I have it here, as you can see, and these magnets inside sits normally down here in sort of an array to allow you to sort of attach your magnets, your MagSafe charging to it. It also does a lot of other things, like Apple has done a lot of other accessories for it. They've done wallets and other things like that in this case, but the primary function has been the charging thing, and basically what that is a super interesting idea, this magnet array on your phone. And Moment, for instance, the guys that also makes this cover here, Moment it says, they have done a lot of other accessories for the MagSafe, where they plug in sort of a camera shoe and other things to it. Super interesting, and also makes a lot of sense. They developed their own magnet array, which is stronger than a bunch of other accessory makers out there, that also does docks and mounts and chargers and stuff like that for it, and that's super cool. You don't have to plug in cables at the bottom here and anything. It's super nice. Sort of tells where Apple is trying to go with charging in the future, sort of wireless, at least sort of wireless, because it still has a wire anyway. But I've been playing around with MagSafe and the idea and the concepts for a while, and one of the things that I explored, and I posted that on Instagram a while ago, was this idea of, could you make a attachment to it, to the phone, that worked with Lego. And I think that's a super interesting thing. Lego, the bricks that we have in all sorts of different shapes and sizes, super interesting and nice to play around with, for kids especially, but also maybe it's versatile enough to maybe use. That's anyway the idea that I got. So I made this phone cover here. Basically it's just a slab, a piece of plastic, and I put in an array of magnets inside, which I actually nicked from one of the old MagSafe cases I had from Moment lying around. Thank you, Moment, and sorry for ruining it, but it's super interesting to look at. And then basically what you do is you plug it onto your phone with the magnet. So there's nothing on the sides here, and yeah, sort of works fairly nice. It sits there and it doesn't fall off. It's not that strong, unfortunately, but it would be nice if I had a stronger magnet, or the magnets maybe didn't lie as far down into the body as this one does. This one has 0.6 millimeters of distance between the magnets and the magnet array inside. But the idea here is actually, and it gets a little bit technical now, because I had to use magnets that were placed sort of as a case. But if you go in most cases today, they don't have magnets in them. They only have a sort of a metal ring that the magnets inside the phone can attach to. This one actually are magnets, and that makes it a little bit stronger, but also you can use it for this type of thing where you attach it like this. So basically what you can do is you can have fun with it, and you can put this to the side. You can build stuff on it. So I don't know what you want to build, but if you have any ideas, please let me know. It's at least it's very fun to play around with. I am just goofing around here. My daughters had them yesterday, and they played around with it really, quickly and fun. And yeah, so basically you can do, like, you can make a stand for your phone if that's what you want. If you're watching something like, I don't know, a movie or something, and you just wanna adjust your height a little bit because it's not really where you want it to, you can maybe add something extra here quickly and then put it back on, and then like, oh yeah, that's a better position if you wanted that, and it sticks fairly easy to it. It's not perfect at all, but it gets the job done. If you wanted to, maybe you can sort of flip it around and use it like a stand. No, that wasn't strong enough, at least for that one, but like put it like there, and you can have a different type of stand. So that's just stands, and it's not perfect because this one I printed that with 0.5 degrees draft on these small dots. I shouldn't have done that. I see that now. If I just put it straight up, it would have sit more snug and fit better, but that's anyway the idea. So yeah, me ranting on a sort of a Lego MagSafe attachment thingy for your phone, iPhone obviously in this case. So yeah, no, this one doesn't go through. It doesn't work like that, unfortunately. It's not, I can feel it's there, but it's not working as it should. I should have then put in sort of this magnet array. If I had this magnet array on this side as well, I could have used that for putting that on there, but I don't think it would have charged through it anyway. So yeah, so I wouldn't recommend playing around too much with that. But that's the idea. I hope that was interesting and fun to see. Anyway, enough of my ranting on. Have fun, guys.